Hey, welcome to the channel. I've had a couple of people ask about our poppies. I thought that I would take this moment because we're harvesting them today to show you all about how we do that and how we multi-purpose everything with the poppies. So these poppies came from my family farm up in Southwest Virginia where my grandmother lived, Ethel Stewart, and they've been on the farm for a couple of years, all part of that series I talk about keeping plants and bringing them back and having memories. But today, as you can see, they've really they've bloomed out, and so we're going to be cutting this off. This is full of seeds. We're going to be cutting just below here, and I'm going to come in, I'm going to cut right here, and I'm going to save that. Now I've got a tub here. As you can see, I've already done some, and these are green. Some people say to hold off until they're this size. As you can see right in here, there's holes, okay? That is where the seeds come out. And if you wait too long on these, and my dad would wait until they completely dried up, and then they would bust open and the finch would get them. But if you wait too long, you'll really lose a lot of the seeds. So what we do is we put them in a big tub like this, and we allow them to dry out. So I'm just gonna come in, and I'm gonna cut these really quickly, show you all how I do that, okay? And you can just dump these. And look, while you're doing this, some of your seeds are going to fall down anyway. I mean, I don't think we've really intentionally planted any in probably 5 years. A lot of them just come up. So now this is what I like to do. As you can see right here, the plant is still green, okay? So you could let it go. I reach down low like this, and I leave the root, but I actually cut that. Okay, now look at all that green. As you all know, we do a lot of composting on the farm. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna cut this up, and I'm gonna fill my bucket up with more green, more nitrogen. That's gonna be great for my compost bin. And here's another thing, okay? Don't worry about your chickens becoming heroin addicts with this, okay? Everyone knows this is where heroin comes from. If you don't, there's your lesson. But use that to feed your chickens. Now I want to say something that I always tell people that come out to the farm and ask me about my flowers. There are so many gateways to gardening with your family. I have come out here with both of my daughters, and I have talked to them about Georgia O'Keeffe, you know, the famous artist with the red poppy. Take the time on your farm with your kids to use your gardening to educate your kids. Even something as simple as just discussing a famous artist and the poppies. I have both of my daughters that are very open in arts, and they talk a lot about the things that they do with arts, whether it's theater, whether it's knitting, whether it's painting, anything of that nature. So much of that they have attributed to me expanding and showing them my garden and the parts of it that are interesting, like the poppies. If you like the video, quick one, but if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Let some of your garden friends know what we're doing. And as always, leave a comment below. Look forward to hearing from you soon. Thanks.